Hello, and welcome to My Money Grows, where we discuss all things digital marketing. Today's topic is 4 ways on how to make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online by promoting other people's products. Here are 4 ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Choose the right products. Choosing the right products to promote is essential for making money with affiliate marketing. Look for products that are in high demand and have a high commission rate. The products should also be relevant to your audience and align with your brand. Build an email list. Building an email list is a way to promote products to your audience and generate sales. By offering valuable content and incentives, you can attract subscribers and build a relationship with them. Once you have built an email list, you can send promotional offers and updates to your subscribers. Create content. Creating content that promotes the products you are affiliated with is an effective way to generate sales. Content can be in the form of blog posts, social media posts, or videos. Make sure your content is informative and helpful to your audience and includes your affiliate links. Leverage paid advertising. Paid advertising is a way to reach a larger audience and generate more sales. Platforms such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target specific audiences and show them your ads. Make sure your ads are relevant and attractive to your audience and include your affiliate links. Those were the 4 ways on how to make money with affiliate marketing. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, be sure to choose the right products, build an email list, create content, and leverage paid advertising. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.